It's time for another King of the Hill. And here's the current champion, Monster Mutt, who's proven to be an extremely fast monster truck. We have 16 monster trucks, all ready to challenge the king. But before the race, let's have a pick your ride, and let's do that right now.
I wish for once he'd let me pick out the trucks.
All right, well, that was strange. I guess he got too close to the king. Let's get this started. The first truck up is this Gravedigger. I have been wanting to open this up the first time I laid my eyes on it. Is that not an amazing monster truck? If you want this truck, put Gravedigger in the comments below. And the next truck up I just picked up from Walmart is El Super Fasto. I have been waiting for a recolor of this truck for a long time, and I finally have it. Let's see if he can beat the king. Next truck up, and we have the Unimog. I really like the Unimog. This is a fantastic casting. I like the dirty version right here. Awesome monster truck. If you want this truck, pick Unimog in the comments below. And I thought I'd do something a little different. I'm going to enter this Just Trucks from Jada, the 2008 Ford F350 Super Duty. Sounds like a winning truck if you ask me. Let's see how he does in the next King of the Hill. If you want this truck, just put Jada Just Truck Ford F350. And the next truck up is this Hot Wheels Dairy Delivery. Now this is a fast casting, so I'm hoping he can challenge the king. And if you guys don't remember, the king has one very unique feature. He's got these hard plastic tires, which makes him really quick on the track. So we'll see if Dairy Delivery can give him a challenge. And the next truck up, we have this Monster Jam Dragonoid. Really a cool casting. Can't wait to see it go down the track. Next truck up. Who doesn't need a little bit of Superman in a King of the Hill? I know I do this often, but I'm hoping to find a fast one. If you want this truck, put Superman in the comments below. And the next truck up is this Freebird from Monster Jam. Really heavy casting, so I'm hoping he's fast going down the track. Is that not an awesome monster truck? Look at the detail in this truck. Awesome stuff. You want this truck, pick Freebird in the comments below. And the next truck up is from Monster Jam, the Joker. I've never raced this casting, so I'm hoping I find a fast one. Really awesome stuff. You know what to do in the comments below if you want this truck. I do not approve of this truck. And the next truck up, we have Lumberjack, a nice heavy casting. I'm hoping he's quick on the track. If you want this truck, Lumberjack in the comments below. And the next truck up is Storm Damage. Awesome monster truck, and it's going to be in the next King of the Hill. If you want this truck, you know what to do. And the next truck up, awesome casting right here. Triceratops, nice heavy casting from Hot Wheels. Looking forward to seeing if this can do anything on the track. Next truck up, and another casting from Hot Wheels. We have the Buzz Lightyear monster truck. We'll see how quick old Buzz is. And the next truck up from Hot Wheels is Old Carbonator. The good thing is, if he loses, I can still use him as a bottle opener. All right, next truck up. And the final two trucks we have up is this Gravedigger and the Mystery Machine. You have two chances to win if you pick these trucks. Nice and heavy. Love these tires right here. And if you want these two to win, pick Monster Jam 2-pack. And there you have it. We have 16 monster trucks to choose from. It's going to be a really fun King of the Hill. I'll try to have the race posted in the next 2 to 3 weeks. Good luck with your picks, and we'll see you at the next King of the Hill.